Imagine a superhero's costume, but for real-life heroes. That's a bit like a bulletproof vest, also known as ballistic body armor. It's a special piece of clothing that police officers, soldiers, and security guards wear to protect themselves. You see, their jobs can sometimes be very dangerous, and they might face situations where they need an extra layer of safety. This vest is designed to be worn over their regular clothes, providing a crucial shield for their most vital organs, like their heart and lungs. It's not just about being brave, it's about being smart and prepared for anything that might happen while they are working hard to keep us all safe. Think of it like a goalkeeper in a football match. They wear special gloves to stop the ball from getting into the net. The ball is fast and powerful, but the gloves help absorb the impact and protect the keeper's hands. A bulletproof vest works in a similar way, but it's stopping something much, much faster and more dangerous than a football. People wear these vests because their safety is incredibly important. When a police officer responds to an emergency, they need to be focused on helping people, not worrying about getting hurt. The vest gives them the confidence to do their job properly, and most importantly, helps make sure they can go home to their families at the end of the day. Now, it's important to know that these vests aren't completely bulletproof in the way a solid steel wall is. A better name might be bullet resistant. They are designed to stop specific types of bullets from handguns and other firearms, but no vest can stop every single bullet in the world. Engineers and scientists are always working to make them stronger and better. The goal is to provide the best possible protection, while also making sure the vest is light enough and flexible enough for a person to wear comfortably for many hours. After all, a vest isn't much good if it's so heavy you can't even move. It's a brilliant piece of science and engineering. So why are they so essential? Let's consider the science. When you put on a bulletproof vest, you are essentially wearing a net of incredibly strong fibers. It's a personal shield that could one day be the difference between a very serious injury and just a very bad bruise. For the men and women in law enforcement and the military, this isn't just a piece of equipment, it's a lifeline. It represents a promise that we are using the best of our scientific knowledge to protect those who dedicate their lives to protecting us. It's a remarkable invention that has saved countless lives and continues to be a cornerstone of personal safety in many professions around the globe. So, how does a soft vest stop a hard, fast-moving bullet? It's all about energy. Consider this. A bullet flying through the air has a massive amount of kinetic energy. That's the energy of motion. To stop the bullet, you have to get rid of that energy. The bulletproof vest acts like a super strong, super wide catcher's mitt. When the bullet hits the vest, it doesn't just bounce off. Instead, the vest's job is to catch the bullet and spread its energy out over a much larger area. This process happens incredibly quickly, in just a fraction of a second. The force is dispersed, so it's not all focused on one tiny spot. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to poke your finger through a single sheet of paper. It's pretty easy, right? Your finger goes right through. Now, imagine trying to poke your finger through a telephone directory with 1,000 pages. It's impossible. Your finger can't break through all those layers. A bulletproof vest is made of many, many layers of very strong fabric. When a bullet strikes the vest, it has to try and break through each layer one by one. Each layer it hits slows it down a little bit more, stealing some of its energy, until it finally comes to a complete stop, tangled up within the fabric of the vest. This spreading of energy is the real secret. Instead of the bullet's force punching a small, deep hole, the vest makes the impact feel more like being pushed very hard by a big, flat object. An officer who is shot while wearing a vest will still get a nasty bruise, and it will certainly hurt a lot, but the vest prevents the bullet from penetrating their body and causing a life-threatening injury. The vest deforms or changes shape, absorbing the blow. It's an amazing example of physics in action, turning a deadly, focused force into a much more manageable, spread-out impact that a person can survive. Science is cool. This is why the vest is so much more effective than a single hard plate would be. If you just wore a thick steel plate, a powerful bullet might shatter it or even ricochet, which means it could bounce off in another dangerous direction. The soft, fibrous layers of a modern vest are designed to catch and trap the bullet safely. The fibers stretch and break, but in doing so, they absorb all that dangerous kinetic energy. It's a clever solution to a very dangerous problem, using our understanding of forces and materials to create something that protects people in the most extreme circumstances. It's truly science to the rescue. What are these magical fibers that can stop a bullet? Well, they aren't magic, they're science. The most famous material used in bulletproof vests is a synthetic fiber called Kevlar. You might have heard of it before. Kevlar is a type of plastic, but it's not like the plastic in your water bottle. It is what we call an aramid fiber. This means its molecules are arranged in long, parallel chains, like uncooked spaghetti strands all lined up neatly in a box. This structure makes the fibers incredibly strong and stiff for their weight. In fact, on a weight-for-weight basis, Kevlar is more than 5 times stronger than steel. Think about a spider's web. A single strand of spider silk is incredibly thin, but it is also surprisingly strong for its size. Kevlar fibers are similar, but much, much stronger. When these long-chain molecules are spun into threads and then woven into a fabric, they create a material with enormous tensile strength. That's a scientific way of saying it's extremely difficult to pull apart or stretch. When a bullet hits a vest made of Kevlar, these super strong fibers instantly resist being broken. They form a tough web that catches the bullet and absorbs its forward momentum, sharing the load among many different fibers. Another amazing material that is often used is called Dyneema, or Spectra. This is a type of polyethylene, the same family of plastics used to make shopping bags, but it is processed in a very special way to make it ultra-strong. This material is known as ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, or UHMWPE for short. These fibers are so light they can actually float on water, yet they are up to 15 times stronger than steel. Vests made from this material can be lighter and more flexible than those made purely from Kevlar, which makes them more comfortable for people to wear all day long. It's all about finding the best balance of strength, weight, and flexibility. Sometimes, for extra protection against more powerful rifle rounds, hard ceramic or metal plates are inserted into pockets on the front and back of the vest. Materials like boron carbide or silicon carbide are incredibly hard, much harder than a lead bullet. When a high-velocity rifle bullet hits one of these plates, the plate shatters the bullet into smaller, less dangerous pieces. The soft armor layers behind the plate then catch these fragments. This combination of a hard plate and soft armor creates a multi-layered defense system that can defeat even more serious threats, showing how different materials can work together to save a life. Creating a bulletproof vest is a careful, step-by-step process that turns a spool of thread into a life-saving garment. It all begins with the super strong fibers, like Kevlar. These fibers arrive at the factory on large spools, looking like giant rolls of bright yellow thread. The first step is to weave these threads into a fabric. This isn't done with a simple needle and thread, it's done on huge industrial looms. These machines weave the fibers together into a tight, dense cloth. The pattern of the weave is very important as it helps to ensure there are no weak spots and that the fabric is equally strong in all directions. Once the large sheets of ballistic fabric have been woven, they are taken to a cutting table. Here, multiple layers of the fabric are stacked on top of one another, sometimes as many as 20 or 30 layers deep. A precise pattern for the vest panel is then used to cut through all the layers at once. This is often done with computer-guided cutting machines that use powerful lasers or water jets to ensure every panel is exactly the right shape and size. It's crucial that all the layers line up perfectly to provide consistent protection across the entire surface of the vest panel. Next, these stacks of cut fabric layers are taken to be sewn together. A heavy-duty sewing machine stitches around the edges of the stack, binding all the layers together to create a single, unified, ballistic panel. This panel is the core of the bulletproof vest. It's the part that does all the work of stopping the bullet. The panels are then sealed inside a thin, waterproof cover. This is a very important step because materials like Kevlar can lose some of their strength if they get wet. The waterproof cover protects the ballistic fibers from moisture, sweat, and dirt, ensuring the vest remains effective for its entire lifespan. Finally, these sealed ballistic panels are inserted into a specially made outer garment called a carrier. The carrier is the part of the vest you actually see. It's usually made from a tough, durable fabric like nylon and has straps, zips, or Velcro fasteners so the user can put it on and adjust it for a snug, comfortable fit. The carrier is what holds the protective panels in the correct position over the wearer's torso. After a final quality inspection, to check every stitch and seam, the vest is ready to be sent to the police officers and soldiers who rely on it for their safety, a finished product of incredible science and careful manufacturing.